Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to highlight text in MS Word with keyboard shortcut key. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to highlight text with keyboard shortcut key in your MS Word, then I will show you simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to select the text which you want to highlight. Suppose if I want to highlight this text, I'll select that one. Then you need to press Ctrl Alt and H. You can see the text has been highlighted. Suppose I want to highlight this text, I'll select that one and press Ctrl Alt and H. That's it guys. So in this way you can highlight text in MS Word. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.